Okay, good morning to first year English medium students. Today, now let us discuss about the de Broglie concept. De Broglie concept. That means in 1923, de Broglie suggested that like light, matter also exhibit dual behavior. That means matter exhibits wave as well as particle nature. That means de Broglie proposed that as light exhibits both wave-like and particle-like properties, matter also exhibits wave-like and particle-like properties. This nature was described as dual behavior of matter. That means in universe every matter exhibit dual behavior. That is particle nature as well as wave nature. This concept indicates the dual nature of matter. According to de Broglie concept, de Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h by mv, or lambda is equal to h by p. This equation is derived by using the Einstein's equation and Planck's quantum radiation. That means considering the particle nature, according to Einstein equation, E is equal to mc square. This is equation 1, where E represents the energy and m represents the mass and c represents the speed of light. According to considering the wave nature, according to Planck's equation, that means Planck's quantum theory, E is equal to h nu. This is equation number 2, where E represents the energy, h represents the Planck's constant, nu represents the frequency of radiation. From equation 1 and 2, E is equal to h nu, equation 2, E is equal to mc square in equation 1. Left sides both energies are equal, therefore right side are also equal, therefore mc square is equal to h nu. This is equation number 3. But we know that frequency nu is equal to c by lambda. But we know that for a general particle like electron, c can be replaced with the velocity of object v. Therefore, mv square is equal to hc by lambda or h nu by lambda. Mv square is equal to hv by lambda. Therefore, lambda is equal to h by mv. The above equation is known as de Broglie wavelength equation. That means lambda is equal to h by mv, where lambda is known as de Broglie wavelength. That means according to de Broglie concept, the wavelength lambda of an electron is inversely proportional to its momentum. That means lambda is equal to h by mv, or lambda is equal to h by p. Significance of de Broglie concept. According to, that means this equation lambda is equal to h by mv, this which is the expression for the de Broglie wavelength. That means significance of de Broglie concept. According to de Broglie concept, the wave nature of electron was verified experimentally by Davison and Garmer experiment. That means according to Davison and Garmer experiment, electron beam undergo diffraction. This indicates the wave nature of electron. Again, second significance is electron microscope was designed under the basic principle of wave behavior of electron. This electron microscope have magnified power is 15 million times greater than the ordinary microscope. This indicates the wave behavior of electron. According to de Broglie concept, electron revolve around the nucleus in stationary orbit. That means the circumference of the orbit that is equal to integral multiple of the wavelength. That means 2 pi r is equal to n lambda. According to Bohr's concept, angular momentum of an electron mvr is equal to ns by 2 pi is experimentally determined by using the de Broglie concept. Above these significance indicates the wave nature of electron. Therefore, according to de Broglie concept, in universe every matter like electron, proton, atoms and every matter exhibit dual behavior, that is particle nature as well as wave nature. That means when an electron revolve in a particular Bohr orbit, then the number of waves made by electron, that is equal to orbit number. This is the significance of de Broglie concept. Thank you.